Hello everyone, this is Puneet Verma from Mission Green Delhi. You all must be wondering that what Mission Green Delhi blog is. So let me tell you, it was started in 2009 as a personal blog, but slowly and steadily, as it grown up into platform, online platform with the 600 stories, articles, poems. So now it has become quite not that but quite bigger. So uh, most of the time I used to get queries from people. So I felt like making it a platform where you can basically come up, and if you wanted to do a plantation drive in your city, so you can come on Mission Green Delhi blog, and then you can seek uh, for the nearest nurseries and service providers in your area. So they basically provide services of landscaping, and they provide saplings, plants at nominal cost. So it's not free, but yeah, you can get information about government nurseries who provide free saplings on the website. So there is a Get Plants tab on the website missiongreendelhi.com. So you can click on that tab, and then you will see the list of plants and nurseries. So you have to click on those tiles, and then you can get an idea. Also, in addition to this Get Plants link on the website, we also have a WhatsApp group with more than 70 members in it from Delhi itself. So these people are the people who were seeking for free sapling service providers or free sapling nurseries in Delhi, and then I routed them to this particular group. This is a WhatsApp group with the name missiongreendelhi.com. So if you would like to join this group, so you can send a request to my number. That's 9910162399. So I can help you collaborate with these people which have the same interest which we all have. So that is plantation. So in addition to plantation, Mission Green Delhi blog has few more features, like you can share your green ideas related to fight pollution, fight traffic congestion in the city, which are pain points right now. Cleaning the city. So also, if you are a creative person and you write poems, literature, so you can share your creative poetry also on the Mission Green Delhi blog. So what you need to do, you can send your content, your poetry with your author profile and photograph uh, to my email ID. So that's missiongreendelhi@gmail.com. You can share your content on this email ID. Also, you can share photographs if you see any event or any anything you want to share, means that you captured from your smartphone, then you can visit our website. It's a smartphone friendly website, so you can visit missiongreendelhi.com, and then means you can share your photographs. Right now we have limitation of 5 photographs, so you can upload those 5 photographs on the website, and then we will shortlist them and means post it on the portal. So there are a lot of things on Mission Green Delhi that we are doing. We are also working on using the government data related to environment. So uh, we have a section called visuals, where you can find the government data in very useful format, that is in form of charts, in form of graphs. So right now we have data till 2015. So if we get the more data on the government website, means updated data on the website, then we will update those charts accordingly. So you can see those graphs and analyze then analyze few things about the city. So it's about Delhi. So there are a lot of things that we are planning to do right now, but I hardly get a time. So I used to work with a Washington-based company, but in a week I used to get 2 hours, 3 hours time uh, to do postings on Mission Green Delhi blog. So I think the best way is to uh, come on the WhatsApp group we have, and then meet the people who are working for initiatives related to environment sustainability and development. So anything you would like to share with them, you can meet them. You can, means first of all you need to come on to means you need to join that group. So send me a request. Then let's see. Lot of people are there from government organizations and non-government organization, NGOs, on this particular group. It's Mission Green Delhi group. Thank you very much.